The next 48 hours are going to be crucial in the crypto markets, and Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin warns about Worldcoin. This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when I drop the latest content. Follow us on Twitter, AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. The second largest cryptocurrency, Ethereum, has set a new record with a massive $52 billion worth now securing the Ethereum network. Recent data reveals that the total value of the ETH 2.0 deposit contract has reached an all-time high of 26.2 million ETH. Into the block notes that as the value of the ETH used to secure the network increases, it becomes increasingly challenging for any potential hacker to gain control over it. The transition from proof of work to proof of stake consensus during the merge upgrade last September has been instrumental in increasing the network security. Ethereum's security is now derived from stakers rather than miners, and validators are required to stake 32 ETH to participate in securing the network. Ethereum is already up more than 50% for the year, but Fidelity Digital Assets still remains bullish on the premier altcoin for the long term. Since the merge, the net supply has declined by more than 700,000 coins, as per the firm's recently published Q2 2023 signals report. Fidelity also derives optimism from an increase in active Ethereum validators of 15% in the second quarter. The firm added their excitement around the EIP 1153 update that promises lower costs and better efficiency, which will help unlock further upside in ETH. New address momentum was among the other reasons Fidelity cited for their positive long-term view on Ether. Japanese Prime Minister Fumio Kishida reaffirmed the country's commitment to fostering the Web3 industry, highlighting its potential to transform the internet and kindle social change. Kishida made the comments in a keynote address on day one of the WebX conference in Tokyo, Japan. On the same day, Binance CEO CZ announced the cryptocurrency exchange would launch its services on a new Japanese platform in August of 2023. Kishida highlighted Web3's potential to drive innovation across industries and highlighted the event's role in bringing industry players to Japan to drive collaboration, saying, "I hope the Web3 industry will regain its attention and vitality and that various new projects will be born." The EOS Foundation CEO watched from the crowd during Kishida's address, and he tweeted that the Prime Minister's words signal a welcoming attitude towards Web3 that's being fostered in Asia, saying, "Here live at WebX Asia," and Fumio Kishida just stated that Web3 is the new form of capitalism. While the West continues to antagonize blockchain companies, Asia is welcoming us in with their arms wide open. In Asia, the future is bright for crypto. Binance confirmed that it is set to offer its services to Japanese cryptocurrency users from August onwards. The company acquired the local exchange platform Sakura Exchange Bitcoin in November 2022. As the exchange outlined in the announcement of the deal, the 100% acquisition of the Japanese registered crypto exchange paved the way for Binance's re-entry into the country. Binance and its CEO CZ are planning to file a motion asking a court to dismiss a lawsuit from the United States Commodities Regulator. Multiple Binance entities, CZ and former Chief Compliance Officer Samuel Lim, said that before July 27th, they plan to file two separate motions to dismiss the complaint. The CFTC sued Binance and CZ in March, alleging the crypto exchange did not properly register with a regulator. The CFTC claimed that despite Binance blocking U.S. residents from transacting on its platform, since at least 2019, it knowingly conducted transactions in multiple cryptocurrencies for people based in the U.S. and intentionally violated U.S. laws. The regulator also called Binance's compliance process a sham and alleged of willingly conducting its activities outside of the U.S. and obscured its location of its headquarters with the aim of evading U.S. regulations. The Securities and Exchange Commission also sued Binance and CZ on June 5th, alleging it sold unregistered securities, allowing U.S. customers to use its global platform, and claimed CZ misused customer funds. Seedify's highly anticipated Sophiaverse IDO was successfully concluded yesterday, with all tokens completely sold out. Today, on July 25th, the Soph token will officially be listed on major exchanges, including Gate.io and Mexi, as well as popular decentralized exchanges PancakeSwap and Uniswap. The Sophiaverse ecosystem is developed by David Hansen and Ben Gortzel in partnership between Hansen Robotics and SingularityNet. Since the Sophiaverse began development more than 2 years ago, the rapid change seen in the Web3 metaverse arena has been incredible. Over these years, Sophiaverse has weathered the many changes to its AI environment to build a decentralized Web3 infrastructure and create its metaverse. During this turbulent period, the Sophiaverse never waned in dedication to artificial general intelligence advancement from the eyes of the Sophia robot, the world's most renowned and beloved humanoid. In the Sophiaverse, each user generates their own personal Sophia, mutable, trainable, teachable, and even codable. We all encounter the same Sophia day one from the time the user started interacting with her. Personalities diverge. Your Sophia companion is protected by your NFT, providing sovereign ownership over your data, a major step towards privacy-centric personal AI. Through her AI quest, Sophia is able to teach the user how to write AI code and improve her systems. It's a great way to learn and have fun at the same time. We'll soon be making a full video about the Sophiaverse, so stay tuned. Stellar has experienced a surprising surge, becoming a prominent player in the current Ripple-driven crypto market frenzy. Starting from July 18th, XLM's price has skyrocketed, leading to a remarkable 69% increase over the past week. The price surge has propelled Stellar to dominate the top 100 cryptocurrencies list, highlighting its strong performance in the market. We just posted a full video about Stellar's XLM token and why some say it's better than Ripple's XRP, which you can find linked down below. The US Federal Reserve is set to announce its interest rate decision on Wednesday, and the question is not whether it will hike the benchmark borrowing cost by 25 basis points, but whether the increase will mark the end of a tightening cycle that began 16 months ago and was partly responsible for last year's crypto market crash. The Fed is expected to raise the rate to a 22-year high of 5.25% to 5.5%. A recent Reuters survey of 106 economists showed that most expected the hike to be the last for a while. Fed fund futures show that traders also expect the Fed to subsequently hold rates steady until early next year. Some crypto observers, however, suggest otherwise. Matt Kuhnke, a research analyst at crypto trading firm and liquidity provider GSR, said looking at the Fed's Summary of Economic Projections, or SEP, from June, the median forecast among Fed officials indicated that 2 more 25 basis point hikes would occur by year end, but markets haven't fully bought into this view and continue to imply that 1 hike is more likely than 2. Our year-end base case remains aligned with the SEP forecast and anticipates another hike will follow this year due to the sustained persistence of inflation as measured by core PCE, which is the Fed's preferred inflation gauge. However, it's not just crypto. Bank of America expects the Fed to raise rates in September. Bank of America's FX Global Research team said in a note to clients on Friday, "We continue to expect a second 25 basis point hike in September, but action beyond July remains highly data dependent, both in terms of the timing of hikes and whether they happen." Since the June Fed meeting, stocks have surged and investors have trimmed expectations of more tightening, taking note of continued labor market resilience and dwindling inflation, and have grown more confident of a soft landing for the economy. Bitcoin has rallied 16%, largely on the back of spot ETF optimism. That means suggestions of more rate hikes beyond July may see investors take some risk off the table, putting downward pressure on risk assets, including cryptocurrencies. It's possible that the Fed's communication and the Wall Street sentiment do not matter as much to Bitcoin. The cryptocurrency's correlation to stocks has weakened in the past 90 days. However, correlations are backward-looking indicators and can change fast. Besides, Bitcoin's bullish momentum, which was strengthened by BlackRock's ETF filing on June 15th, has weakened as of late, with the likes of JP Morgan saying any approval is unlikely to be a game changer for the crypto market. On Monday, the cryptocurrency fell over 3%. That means crypto traders may be better off paying attention to what the Fed says and how traditional markets react. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin released a new blog post on Monday detailing his concerns over OpenAI's CEO Sam Altman's new crypto project, Worldcoin, which launched its mainnet this week. In the post, Buterin highlighted 4 major concerns with Worldcoin's user authentication system called Proof of Personhood. Worldcoin claims it can authenticate its users without storing personal data or relying on a central authority. To obtain a World ID, users must scan their iris with a device known as an orb. Compatible apps like Worldcoin's own Wall application can leverage Worldcoin's network of authenticated users to tailor their services and root out bots. In his blog, Buterin argues that this system has potential issues with privacy, accessibility, centralization, and security. Buterin argues first that scanning one's iris could potentially release more information than intended. For instance, if someone else scans a World ID holder's iris, they can run against the Worldcoin database to determine at the very least whether the person is in the system. In addition, Buterin says World IDs won't be readily accessible to everyone since getting a hold of an orb device can be difficult. Furthermore, the orb is a hardware device, and Buterin alleges that we have no way to verify that it was constructed correctly and does not have any backdoors. He adds that the Worldcoin Foundation still has the ability to insert a backdoor into the system, letting it create arbitrarily many fake human identities. Finally, Buterin expresses security concerns with Worldcoin, given that users' phones could be hacked and they could be coerced into giving out their iris scans. Buterin acknowledges that there is no perfect solution to overcoming these issues. There is no ideal form of proof of personhood. Instead, we have at least 3 different paradigms of approaches that all have their own unique strengths and weaknesses. Those 3 approaches are known as social graph-based, general hardware biometric, and specialized hardware biometric solutions like Worldcoin. Buterin says it does seem like specialized hardware systems can do quite a decent job at protecting privacy. However, the flip side of this is that specialized hardware systems introduce a much greater centralization concern. That's it for Altcoin Buzz News Update. I'm your host, Cody Buffington. Thanks for watching.